We're at 6679 Britt Street. This is located in Navarre off of Edgewood Drive. We're entering into the foyer here. We have our dining room to our left. You can see our walkway to our kitchen. And to our right, we have our first bedroom. This is a guest bedroom. Could also be an office. We have some French doors here that are separating it. So this is on the front of the home. So if we continue down the foyer, here is our living room. We have nice tall ceilings in here, carpeting in the main living areas. And there is our back door to our backyard. And here is our dining room and our kitchen bar top. And there is our living room again. Now our master suite is on the opposite side of the home. So there is that dining room again. We have a storage closet in our laundry room and garage entry. And then here is our master suite. Again, nice tall ceilings. You can see our bathroom to the left. We also have a large walk-in closet. So here is that bedroom. Now here is our walk-in closet. Got plenty of storage space here. We'll head into the ensuite now. We do have a garden tub and a stand-up shower, 2-sink vanity. We also have our commode room as well. So coming back out, we're gonna go to the opposite side of the home. You can either go through the dining room or through the kitchen. So we're in that breakfast area now, walking through the living area. We come to a short hallway. Our guest bathroom is in the middle. We have storage closets on either side of that bathroom. Here is our second guest bedroom. This is facing the front of the home. You can see down our hallway there. Now we'll head to the third guest bedroom. This is on the back side of the home. And there's our closet and our hallway. Heading back out will take you to the backyard. So we're gonna go back into the living area. Here's our back door and our backyard space. The backyard is not entirely fenced in. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 6679 Britt Street, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.